everyone, this is your friend, your guide for pharmacology. Let us start with absorption of drugs. For drug action to take place in our body, absorption is necessary. Drug should reach the bloodstream in order to reach the target site. Target site means the affected area. So, the drug should reach over there. And for that purpose, drug should get absorbed, and here drug involves passage across cell membrane in order to reach the target site. So, our cell membrane does not allow each and every molecule to just get into our body and just get out of the body. For that, we have mechanism. So, let us see the passage mechanism in the next slide. Yes, passages across cell membranes. Number one is passive transport. It contains two kinds, simple and filtration. Specialized, as the name, specialized, special kind of transport. It has active, facilitated and pinocytosis. These three kinds included in specialized. Let us see one by one. This is number one. This one is number one, not number two. Now, simple diffusion, as the name. Let me just explain you one example, a simple example for simple diffusion. Example is, stomata of leaves take in carbon dioxide. That is example of simple diffusion. Without any use of energy, they just take in the carbon dioxide. So in the same way, simple diffusion is molecules move from high concentration to low concentration across semi-permeable membrane. Here lipid bilayer acts as a semi-permeable membrane. It is semi-permeable membrane. Now here the concentration is high outside the membrane, that is extracellular fluid. This should go into the cytoplasm, that is the region of low concentration. So for this purpose, this is the diagram given, simple diffusion. Now keep in mind, only drugs which have lipid molecules in them or made up of lipid molecules, they can only cross this lipid bilayer plasma membrane. Let us move to next. It is filtration, same as diffusion, but it is dependent on pressure gradient. That means it moves from high pressure area to low. Now, it involves passage through pores of cell membrane. Pores, that means holes of the cell membrane. And only water soluble substances can be transported. That means the drugs who are water soluble, they can only pass through the membrane. So that comes in filtration. We can say it filters the type of drug. Drug which is soluble in water, it will take in that, and which is not soluble in the water, then it will not take that drug. So this is filtration. Let us move to next. Specialized transport. The number one type is active. As you can see, look at the diagram. As you can see, ATP, that is required for the passage of molecules from low concentration to high concentration. So for this purpose, for passage from low concentration to high concentration, ATP is required, and this is the phospholipid layer of cell membrane. Let us move to next. Specialized transport. Please look at the figure. It has carrier protein, this one. It has carrier protein, integral membrane protein. So this phospholipid bilayer has this integral protein, and this protein helps the molecules, which is shown in circular yellow color. These things, it is here, it is shown that it is passing and has reached the cytoplasm. So this is facilitated kind of transport for drugs. Let us see next, pinocytosis. Now pinocytosis, the cell repeatedly takes in fluid from surrounding environment using its tiny vesicles. That means whichever molecule is being placed in the extracellular fluid, it is going to take that. But how? It will form a vesicle, or we can say finger-like projection. We can say finger-like projection as in microvilli. So it is going to, it has shown a protrusion like this one, and it is going to capture the molecule, and yes, it has captured it, and whenever required, it will be given out in the cytoplasm. So this is the type of specialized transport, pinocytosis. And pinocytosis, in simple word we can say cell drinking or cellular drinking. So this was all about various passages. Hey guys, if you liked our video, please do like, share and subscribe, and please press the notification bell icon so that you can get the latest updates.